Thokozani bokhokho nomkhulu isarikwazi indoda lesikhokho bathini mbatha. I just want to share with you the thought I had yesterday when I was traveling. When I listened to a song, a beautiful song by Nathi titled Imimoya. I love the way the song is arranged, the way it's produced and arranged. There's so much emotions that were invested in the arrangement of the song. And it made me think deep about people that are close to me, people that I know, people that are clients, friends, and most importantly, myself. It made me realize what we are not fighting the flesh. We are not fighting people. We are fighting spirits. Silwa nemimoya. Asilwe nabantu. Asilwe nenyama. Silwa nemimoya. When you are going through the difficult times, I want you to remember ukuthi the worst fight you can ever come across ukulwa nemimoya. Kubuhlungu ukulwa nemimoya. Kunzima ukulwisa imimoya. Asilwe nabantu. Asilwe nabantu. When you can look at a person's behavior, uthi lo muntu wenzani. How can Usbanibani do this to me? How can Usbanibani leave me like this? How can Usbanibani turn their back towards me? How can I lose my job just like that? How come I've stayed home for such a long time? How come I am not getting married? How come I don't have children? How come this? How come that? You can mention everything you can think of. But you must remember, ukuthi asilwe nabantu. Silwa nemimoya. Silwe nabantu. Silwa nemimoya. You know, as a healer, you may think ukuthi life is sweet, life is nice, everything it's nice. Well, I would like to tell you something. What you see on the social media is not what some of us are living. Kunzima. 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 Ukuba healer. Kunzima. You know, somebody will come to you so desperate looking for help from you as a healer. So desperate, you know, talking all nice, very kind and everything. And when you explain to them, which this is how things work, they understand, they're fine, they're everything. The next thing, you are being insulted. We are being fought. You are getting into fights that you were not planned. Mike always says that those are self-appointed enemies. But I've realized beyond the self-appointed enemies, there are spirits that we're fighting with. Asilwe nabantu, silwa nemimoya. That's what I said to myself yesterday as I was driving, to say, I'm actually not fighting with this person. You know, sometimes you get this voice note, it's 5 minutes long, it's 12 minutes long, and I said, I'm not in a mood to listen to this. And when you listen to that voice note, you realize, I'm not fighting with this person. Silwa nemimoya. It's even worse when you are a healer. Angilwi nemimoya yami ngedwa, ngilwa nemimoya yenu as well. So imimoya yami ilwa nemimoya yenu. And it takes a very matured individual to sit down and say, ngempela, there was no way of rectifying this. Silwe nabantu, silwa nemimoya. Silwe nabantu, silwa nemimoya. And as we are fighting emoya, kubukhona nalaba that they go deeper in thinking ukuthi their prayer belongs to them. You know, there are people that believes ukuthi their God is their God and it's the only God and it's a conquer of the gods. Their ancestor, they are the only ancestor and they are conquerors in terms of ancestors. Kanti nathi sinabantu abasibhekile abasithandayo. So when you are going through the most, with this short video, I would like to say to you today, awulu nabantu ulwa nemoya. Awulwi nabantu. Awulwi nabantu. Awulwi nenyama. Awulwi nalo muntu obona ukuthi ulwa naye. Awulwi neboss yakho. Forget ukuthi my boss wenzeni, my usibani wenzeni. You are not fighting with that person. You are fighting nemimoya yakhe. That's what you are going through. Imimoya that we are fighting. That's the challenge that we are faced with. And when you are fighting with a spirit, one thing that I'll tell you, or rather one thing that I'll give you a piece of advice with, switch off your heart mode. Switch it off. Activate your brain. Don't use your heart when you are fighting imimoya, because it's emotionally enough on its own. More than imimoya. It's not nice to sit outside until 3 o'clock in the morning fighting imimoya, talking to yourself, getting messages on your phone. Uthi gogo sokwenzakale kanje, gogo sokwenzakale kanje, gogo uyangithuka, gogo ngixoshe endlini, gogo indlu yami idliwe, gogo ngilahlekelwa umsebenzi, gogo imoto yami ithathwa manje edemol. I don't know what to do. Relax. Trust me when I say ulwa nemimoya. Even if you go to your cupboard now, you open, no, it's not about that. It's not about the empty fridge. It's not about the empty cupboards. Ulwa nemimoya. And it's up to you if ever you want to take up that fight physically. And physically, you'll end up in jail. Because physically, you'll want to fill up the fridge and you'll go and commit crime. Physically, you'll want to fight this person personally, physically, and then you'll get arrested. You mess up your life. So it's up to you, Uguti, or rather up to us, Uguti. Masilwa nemimoya yini esidingayo emzimbeni wethu ukuthi isilekelele in dealing with imimoya. It's our brains. Trust me. Our hearts are occupied already, because the heart will act emotionally on top of emotions that you are feeling vele that are occupying your soul. Kubusy ngaphakathi already. But the mind always have this thing ukuthi kukhona umoya oshayayo ekhanda. Because as soon as you leave the situation, as soon as you get out of the situation, out of anger, and you decide to be smart to get out of situation, whereas what you always use the word ngisawushaya umoya. I just need some fresh air. Where do you feel the fresh air? From your head. Here, this is where you feel a fresh air. I've never heard somebody saying, I'm feeling a fresh air in my heart. You'll never hear that. Why? Because silwa nemimoya. So when it's up to you, if ever you decide to go and fight with somebody, go and fight with them. But you'll realize, you can go check all the jails, go to Kalagabusha, go to Sun City, go to Hosimampuru, go to wherever where you can go and interview prisoners. Out of 10, 7, they dealt with imimoya. Out of 10, 7, they've acted on imimoya. Then they've acted physically while they were dealing in a spirit that needed you upstairs. So it is up to you. Sarwa sendo tukoko bathini bathuma vula kuvala emzini wethu. Auntie Usha number 1 Locksmith. Professor, I'm available if you want to sit down and talk and offload. Keep man to man, woman to woman. Jenga Sarwa sendo, I'm available. Thokozani. Anytime.